Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Honor 50 Lite. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and input Send Anywhere. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, you can finally select Send on an Android and Receive on Honor. After that, tap on all of those dots and just send. This way you can choose all of your files that you wish to transfer and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to transfer all of them now, so I will go with only one for example. Just send and tap on Got It. Over here you need to close your ad by choosing No Thanks and closing this window. After that, we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive, but we can also just scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Honor, choosing Allow or Only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. Now, after a couple of seconds, my photo is successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!